Okay, so that's the beginning of My Sharona by the Knack. We're going to wait for the drums and bass to get it going, and the bass is going to kind of have that. Then the guitar comes in for its first thing with the. So that's C to B flat. You got 3 on the A string, got the 5s below it. So 1 hit and then 2 quick ones down to the B flat there. 1, 3, 3, 3. So then we have a slide in from 2 to 3 on the big string. We're gonna hit 2 3s there. So we got. Okay, so that's gonna be the first main riff. That's the Riff A, I'm calling it. So we're gonna go 2 into the 3s. The 3s start this new measure. We're using the octave 5th fret of the D string. Okay, check out the tabs on this, make it a lot easier. Then we have the chords. Okay, so we end up doing that 3 times. It's like once to set up the verse, twice for the verse. And then we start kind of the same, but we're gonna have all full notes. Like each space is gonna have like double notes in this. This is gonna be the chorus, part B, I'm calling this. So we're gonna have. Now the only one you don't double hit the 5s is the last one, because we're gonna use the bass to go up to the 6 and do the same type of thing with that. So it's like. You can hit 1 8, so it's 6s and 8s, 8s on the D string, of course. This is the B flat and its octave. So we had the. Then we're gonna have C, C, E flat, 6th fret. So we actually have 3 of those. Bum, bum, bum to the 8, which is the F chord there. So we have. Okay, so we're back to the main riff there for a few more times. We're back to the chorus again. Okay, so that one doesn't have those chords at the end. It kind of just keeps going, getting ready to take you into a new part, this little break coming up. So that last thing was we got a chorus. That one ends with 3, 3, 5. Now the break's gonna go. Okay, then a little short solo starts. So we have this sus chord. This is like a C, 3, 5, 5, but 6 on the second string. Take that down to the 5s of a regular C. Now here we're gonna go 6, 8, 8, 6. So that's a sus 2 chord on this E flat. So we're gonna let that note right here kind of be the higher note and then just settle back into the power chord. And then we go 10s, 8s, and 10s on the D, G, B. Okay, so we got. Now the solo is gonna go. Okay, so I kind of did a chick on that first one. 1, 3, 3 on the big string, and then 3, 3, 3. A little bend on that 4th one, and the 3 on the A string. So 1, 3, 1, 3. So that's the 1 on the A and the 3 on the big one. So. Okay, then the chords would repeat. But the lead guy is gonna go. And that matches perfectly with those chords, right? So it's a kind of hold this note a little bit and then do a pull off 5, 3. This is on the second string. Down to that 5 on the G, down to the little 3 here. So it's. Then And do the same thing on the 6th fret. And end with 8, 6, 8 on the E string. Okay, so it'd be. Now this next one's gonna go. Okay, so that was chick, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3. Kind of hold that, a little vibrato. So this was a pull off on the D, 5, 3 to 5 on the A, 3 on the G string, back to that 5 on the D. So, okay, so it's. And we have that. Okay, so this one's gonna have 6 and 6. We're bending the 6 on the 2nd string. So it's like 6 of these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th one comes down. We have a 3, 6 on the B, 3 on the G, 5 on the D. Kind of comes in after the 1. It's like 1. Then we have that riff again. Okay, so this last little fill here, we're gonna have 8, the bend on the 2nd string. 8 underneath it twice. And then we're gonna bend the 8 with, we're gonna do the chordal thing, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of slide it down after the 5th one. Okay, so this whole little lead thing is. Okay, so we do that part 4 more times, we get another verse going, we get into another chorus. Okay, then we're gonna have like part A. Just that much, and we get to these chords again from part B. So see, this one doesn't have those chords in it, so it's just like the first part only of part A. So it's like. And that last one is called part D. It's just. Okay, very simple, kind of to set up the next thing that's coming. Now, if we look back at that break, the rhythm would just keep doing this. Okay, it'll end on a D power chord, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. Okay, and then it would resume and everything. Okay, so then we have a big gnarly solo that we're not going to get into here, but we're going to do the rhythm for that solo. So this is good practice underneath that solo. You got. Okay, so it's C. This is like the 5, 4, 3 from a G chord. Here we have the 3, 2, 1, 1 of an F, and it's going to go ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, back to the G at the end. So it's 2, 3, 4. And that just does that a whole bunch of times. It's a really long solo. And it's going to end with that same D chord thing. Okay, now we're getting to the end of the song. We're going to have. So just that first part of part A, that's going to go 5 times. And then we're going to have the full thing of part A with the. with those chords in it. So let's do that full A riff 3 more times and we'll be done. 2, 3, 4. And there you go, My Sharona by the Knack. Hope you dug that. Got a couple pages of tabs. We'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks a lot.